In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import your client database into Hubspot. This process is incredibly straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step, ensuring you can easily follow along and complete the import without any hassle. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot homepage. You can do this by simply entering hubspot.com into your browser's address bar. Once the homepage loads, you'll see the login button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. After you successfully log into your Hubspot account, you'll be directed to the Hubspot homepage. This acts as your dashboard and the starting point for all your actions within HubSpot. From here, look for the CRM option in the menu. Clicking on CRM will redirect you to an area where you manage all your customer relationship management tools. Within the CRM interface, direct your attention to the Companies section. This is where all your company's data, including client details, are stored and managed. Click on the Companies tab to proceed. Now, with the Companies section open, you'll find various options related to managing your database. One of these options is the Import button. This tool allows you to bring in data from external sources into your HubSpot database. Go ahead and click on Import. The import feature is highly intuitive, but it's crucial to prepare your data file correctly before uploading. Ensure that your client database file is saved in a compatible format like CSV or Excel. HubSpot requires specific formatting for a smooth import, so double check that your data aligns with HubSpot's default fields, or customize your import settings to map correctly to your existing data structure. Upon clicking import, you'll be prompted to upload your file. Simply drag your prepared file into the designated area, or use the file selection tool to browse your computer and choose the correct file. Once your file is uploaded, HubSpot will guide you through a series of prompts to ensure the data is mapped correctly to your CRM fields. After setting up everything, review your import settings one final time to ensure there's no mismatched data. Once everything looks good, complete the import process by clicking the Finish Import button. HubSpot will then begin integrating your database into the platform, and you'll receive a notification once your data is successfully imported. And there you have it, you've now successfully imported your client database into HubSpot. By following these steps, you ensure your client data is organized and easily accessible within your CRM, helping you improve client interactions and overall business efficiency. Thanks for watching, and feel free to revisit any step if you need to.